it. Yeah.
Okay. Have you been starving these things, Dad?
No. Their mothers have been getting grain 4 times a day, and these guys have been getting 4 bottles a day until just a day or two ago. Mind you, they were having to share a bottle. Now they each get one apiece.
Okay, I think it's just sucking air.
Oh no, don't come to me. No, no, no. No, no, no. I don't have milk.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Oh no.
Okay. Feeding the cows some grain.
I can run them out. Come on, little Kathy.
Okay, I'll go away.